Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a channel on Telegram. It's very simple. First open your Telegram app on your Android or iPhone, it doesn't matter, and then go to your channel you want to delete, and then you can go to the name. You can click the name in the top, and then as you can see there is channel settings. You can click it. Now you can scroll down, and as you can see there is delete channel option in the bottom left corner. You can click it, and then can delete channel. Also there is option to delete for all subscribers. You can check it list. You can check list, and then click delete channel. It's done. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.